Mukshali and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. So guys, I have missed you a lot. I have missed you guys, the camera and everything. Today I'm just sitting over here in front of you guys and I feel so amazing. So guys, I have just come with a new video which is super informative for you guys, and this will help to just last your makeup super long and it will just give you a very nice and glowing makeup. Trust me, just watch the whole video and you will thank me at later. So guys, in today's video I am just going to show you how to prepare your skin. So guys, preparing your skin is really very important if you just need your makeup to stay for the longest time. In this video I have just showed all the step-by-step makeup products which you guys just need to have according to your skin type, and I have just shared a deep knowledge with you guys, so it will help you forever. So yes, if you're new to my channel, then hi, this is Mukshali and I make videos on beauty and on travel. So please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you will always be notified when my new video comes. And yes, without further ado, let's get started. So guys, before we start the preparation for the skin, it is really very important to know what is your skin type. So guys, it is really very important to know your skin type, so then what all products you just need to have, you will just get a clear idea. So you just need to have that stuff in your vanity or in your skincare routine so that it will make your skin super nice and super plumpy. So there are 5 types of skin. The one is the normal skin, the second one is oily skin, the third one is dry skin, the fourth one is sensitive skin, and the fifth one is combination skin. And in India, the most of the people you will find is dry skin and combination skin. Combination skin is a part of an oily skin, and dry skin and super sensitive skin comes under one thing. So you just need to find what is your skin type. So after the skin type, now we are just going to prepare the skin, and the very first thing in preparing the skin is to clean your face. So it is really very important to clean your face so that it has if it has any dirt or pollution, if you have come from outside or if you are sweating, then it will just clear everything and it will just make your skin look more clear and nice. So the first thing which you can do is, while if you are doing your makeup by yourself, or if a makeup artist, so if you are a makeup artist or a beginner and if you are just doing on someone else, then it is really very important to just clean the skin of your client. Being in this industry, I know what all things you just need to have, and being in this industry for 5 years, hopefully I have gained that knowledge, so I can share you guys that if you are doing on your client, then it is really very important to know their skin type, and according to that you have to just do their makeup and skincare. So yeah, just keep in mind, and then it is super clear and you guys can do a super nice makeup on your clients or if you're doing on yourself. So after the skin type, now we are just going to prepare the skin, and the very first thing in preparing the skin is to clean your face. So it is really very important to clean your face so that if it has any dirt or pollution, if you have come from outside or if you are sweating, then it will just clear everything and it will just make your skin look more clear and nice. So the first thing which you can do is, while if you are doing your makeup by yourself, or if you are a makeup artist or a beginner and if you are just doing on someone else, then it is really very important to just clean the skin of your client. Being in this industry, I know what all things you just need to have, and being in this industry for 5 years, hopefully I have gained that knowledge, so I can share you guys that if you are doing on your client, then it is really very important to know their skin type, and according to that you have to just do their makeup and skincare. So yeah, just keep in mind, and then it is super clear and you guys can do a super nice makeup on your clients or if you're doing on yourself. So guys, for cleaning the skin, you guys just need to have a wet tissue. You guys can take any wet tissue. I have this one from London. I just got this one from medical store. You guys can just take any wet wipes from medical like Himalaya, or you guys can just clean wipes, or you guys can take a cotton pad and just take a cleansing milk and then just go all over your face and then just wash it off or just clean it with a towel. That's it. So I have this wet tissue and I have cleaned my face with this wipes, and guys, it is super nice. It just feels super fresh and it just makes your skin look more nice, and it just clears out everything. So there are two types of wipes. One is the water based one and one is the oil based one. So you have to take the water based wipes, and if you have just took the oil based wipe, that wipes is for makeup removing and not just for cleaning your face. You can also take PAC slate wipes. That one are also really very nice. It just cleans everything on your face within just seconds. Now we'll jump on the toner, and the toner is really very important for your face, because after you have cleansed your face with the wipes, it just open your pores while cleaning, and yeah, you just need to close the pores or else it will clog. So closing the pore is really very important. You just need to take toner, so it just calms your skin, it just brightens it up, it hydrates, it also maintains the pH balance of your skin, and it just closes the pores within seconds. So rose water is really good option for the toner. It is just suitable for all skin types and it doesn't harm your skin. If you are from the sensitive dry skin type, then also it works amazing on your skin, and if you are from the combination skin type, then also it works really amazing on your skin. So I have used Kama Ayurveda's pure rose water. It is a pure rose water, and when I say pure, means it is super pure. It is so nice, so soothing and so calming on the skin. You have to just spritz it all over your face and then just use your fingers to just pat it in. You guys can also take a cotton pad, just spritz it the cotton pad and then just go all over your face, and it will make your face very nice, rosy, kind of a blushy face. And yes, it smells amazing, guys. Wow, it literally smells rose, like it has rose all over in it. So yeah, this is a really good option for you guys. The another one which I use is Joe's Skin Toner. It is in the variant rose, and this one is also my absolute favorite. It is on the affordable side as well, and you guys can see I have used this much of the toner. Ingredients of it are rose petals extract, orange peel extract, peach extract, lemongrass and chamomile. These all ingredients are super amazing for your skin. Also just spritz it all over my face, and then I have just used an hand fan, and then just you have to just do it for 10 to 30 seconds and it will just absorb into your skin super quickly, and it just leaves your skin super nice, plumpy and super fresh. The another toner I want to speak about, I don't have currently with me, but yeah, it is in my wish list, and some the other day I just want to buy it. The toner which I am talking about is Pixie's Glow Tonic. It is a really nice toner. It is suitable for all skin types, and it just makes your skin super nice and super fresh. It has glycolic acid in it, so it just goes deep into the layers of your skin and just removes the excess oil and dirt and whatever excess is there, and it just cleans everything, and you will get that very nice, plumpy and hydrated skin. So guys, after the toner, here comes the moisturizer, and moisturizer is really important for your skin. So it hydrates your skin, and if you are applying makeup, then it stays for the longest time and it just gets a very nice base, so the makeup glides very easily. So there are two types of moisturizer. One is the cream based moisturizer and the another one is gel based moisturizer. So usually the cream based moisturizers are for those one who have dry skin and super sensitive dry skin. So the cream products will just absorb into their skin and it just hydrates for the longest time. Gel based moisturizers are for those who have oily skin. So it controls the oil, it goes deep inside and it just moisturizes very nicely, and you guys will just get that very nice healthy glow from within and not that oily thing. I hope you can understand. Now I'm just going to tell the products for the different types of the skin. For the moisturizer, there are different moisturizer for different skin types. So I just want to say that if you are a normal skin type, so you're very lucky, and if you are from the normal skin type, then you guys can use a normal cream base or a gel based moisturizer and it works perfectly for your skin. You guys can use the Nivea soft one. I'll just leave a picture over here so you guys can just see. I don't have currently with me right now because I am from a combination and oily skin type, so I have just the moisturizer which I can use. The second moisturizer is for the dry skin types, needs a lot of moisturizing on their face, and yeah, it is too difficult to moisturize each and every time. So for that I have an option for you guys. I have this moisturizer which is the Joe's Hydra Moist Intense Moisturizer. It has avocado and chamomile, so this is a really nice moisturizer. It stays for the longest time, it hydrates your skin very nicely, and it just gives you that proper amount of hydration. This is in the cream based, so yeah, it just glides also very nicely, and you guys can see the shine. It is supremely hydrated. A sensitive one can also use this moisturizer, and the dry skin girl can also use this moisturizer. The another option I have for the dry skin type girls is Emollient or Emollient, whatever you can say. You guys will get that in medical store, any medical store. You just have to take and you just have to apply it. It also stays for the longest time, and it hydrates your skin very nicely. You don't need to just overuse it. If you have used it once, then it is good to go. It just properly moisturizes your face and leave it super nice and super supple. The another moisturizer for the dry skin types is Embryolisse. If you have known, it is on the expensive side, but it just makes your skin super nice. Even it is great for super sensitive skin. If you have that acne on your skin, then Embryolisse is super amazing, and it is dermatologically tested, so you guys can just go with it. Embryolisse is the product which an oily skin type or a dry skin type or a normal skin type can use. Like, it is for all skin types. It is slightly on the expensive side. I guess it is for 2200 or something, but yeah, it works amazing. So you guys can just invest in a good moisturizer if you have that budget, or you guys can use this one also, Joe's Hydra Mist. So there is an option from PAC. I will just leave a picture over here. It is also super nice. It is a lotion, so it just glides very easily and it hydrates at the same time. So now comes the oily skin part. If you are from the oily skin type or from the combination skin type, then a water-based moisturizer or a gel-based moisturizer is really good for your skin, because it just controls the excessive oil and it just absorbs into your skin. So the recommendation which I have is one from PAC Aqua Blast. It is really nice moisturizer. It's super gel based and it is super thin. You just need to apply a little bit and it just directly goes into your skin, and it just makes your skin super hydrated and super nice. The Aqua Blast is currently over and I have finished it off. I have threw away the bottle also, or else I could show you, but I will just leave a picture over here so you guys can just have a look. It is a really nice moisturizer for oily skin type. Another option with me for the oily skin type is this Neutrogena Hydro based water gel. It is a gel based moisturizer. It is really nice on the skin. It smells amazing. You have to just use a good amount of the moisturizer on your face, and it will just do the magic. It will just absorb into your skin. It will make your skin more hydrated. It will make your face more hydrated, and it will just give you that very nice glow and just smooth texture on your skin. The another one which I have is Pond's Super Light Gel Oil Free Moisturizer. It is an oil free moisturizer. It is a gel based moisturizer, and it is amazing. Like, it is just for 300 bucks, and what you guys can expect more. It just applies very nicely. It is gel based, it smells amazing, and it stays for the longest time. It just hydrates your skin very nicely. So you guys can just see whichever you guys want to take if you are from the oily side. And yeah, just invest in a good skincare, not too much and not too high, just in the middle, and you guys can see good results on your skin, because skincare is really very important, not only if you are doing makeup, but also if you are just doing in the morning or in the night, and it will just make your skin super nice and super hydrated. Guys, I have just shared my experience of 5 years being in the same makeup industry. Whatever knowledge I have gained, I have just spread with you guys, so you guys can also take the benefit from it. And if you guys enjoyed this video, and if this video was informative for you guys, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, so you will always be notified when my new video comes. And yes, I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.